Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months. Janana Kanda. It has been shown that the soul becomes blissful by experiencing the power or form through the destruction of ignorance. This is the Varna that eliminates the Aham Mamadi, which is the cause of ignorance, the Aham Atmajna Devasampannu, Ahamkara Brahmadarane. Since ignorance is great, and ego is great, both of these are born from the word asnat, and since ego is shown only after ego is shown, ego is brother and ego is brother, these are the kings of the asuras who roam in ignorance. Parakrama, these are the ones who have great strength, in whose hands are all the animals of the world. As ego is great, having obtained the boon of not dying from anyone except a woman, Chichiki, he became the lord of all the worlds. He consumed all the things that were first offered to Shiva through fire, knowledge, in the yajna, Shiva worship. I take the karma of the gods, such as speaking, biting, walking, hearing, smelling, eating, remembering, knowing, etc. Because I say this, the ego took the control of all and became the master of everything. The Brahmikar profession born from the pure inner world, Himalayas, is Parvati Gauri. She is the form of Ananda, the half-sister of Shiva. Chanda Mudaru, in the forest called the body, searching for the path of hunting, the path of the attainment of happiness, he came to the Himalayas, the body of bliss, and saw Parvati, the supreme form of Paramananda. The three worlds of mixed up Ashtananda. The things are near us. The woman, Paramananda, who is self-realized and without upadi, is not near us. Not available. He sent a mediator called Sugiva, the inner soul, or Sumana. Shumbha's power, the kings of the three worlds of heaven, inner world, death, external senses, and hell, school body, know the things of the three worlds, so he is called omniscient. He has taken the power of all the gods by making them suffer. This world runs by his command. He said that if he does it, everything will be yours. Parvati, the one who knows, the unknowing, and the one who understands, the understanding, are the explanation of these egos, the heart, the body.